Army and industry weapons developers have begun work on an advanced next-generation Abrams tank specifically engineered with new weapons, ammunition, laser spotters and advanced thermal sights able to outrange, outgun and outmatch the most modern Russian advanced networking technology with new, next-generation sights, sensors, targeting systems and digital networking, are all key elements of an ongoing upgrade to position the platform to, if needed, successfully engage in combat against rapidly emerging threats, such as the prospect of confronting a Russian T-14 Armata or Chinese third-generation Type 99 tank. Right now we are at parity with near-peer competitors, and a sight upgrade will give us operational overmatch, Lieutenant Colonel Justin Schell, the Army's product manager for Abrams, said recently at the Association of the United States Army Annual Convention. Additionally, the 48-ton modern T-14 tank is widely reported to be able to reach speeds of 90 km per hour. It is built with an unmanned turret, without a fume extractor and is designed for a three-man crew surrounded by an armored capsule. While much has been made of the T-14 Armata's cutting-edge technology, including its active protection, 12-round per-minute firing range and 125mm smoothbore cannon in numerous public reports and assessments, it is not at all clear that the T-14 in any way fully outmatches current and future variants of the Abrams tank, at least according to available public information. Nonetheless, while not discussed much by U.S. tank developers, Abrams' modernization efforts are without question being designed to meet and exceed any dangers posed by rival nation tanks, such as the T-14. Concerns about the threat posed by the T-14 Armata are, without question, informing U.S. tank and weapons developers. The Army is working on a new SAP V4 variant, slated to begin testing in 2021. Is being specifically engineered as a lethality upgrade to position the platform as the world's most advanced and threatening main battle tank. The new tank will include new laser rangefinder technology, color cameras, integrated onboard networks, new slip rings, advanced meteorological sensors, ammunition data links, laser plus warning receivers and a far more lethal, multi-purpose 120mm tank round, said Major General David Bassett, Program Executive Officer, Ground Combat Systems. A recent news report from Sputnik reported that tank maker Uralvagon Zavid has developed a remotely detonated 125mm shell for the T-14 Armata. The U.S. Army's multi-purpose 120mm tank round, to integrate onto the V4, is now being engineered to integrate several different kinds of ammunition into a single, tailorable round. Without offering much detail, Army developers explained that the lethality upgrade, referred to as an engineering change proposal, or RECP, is centered around the integration of a higher-tech third-generation FLIR, forward-looking infrared imaging as the T-14's new, now in development 3UP-21 Sprinter missile can hit ranges more than 7 miles, basically tripling the current 2.48-mile range of an Abrams 120mm round, according to the report. The Armata's current round, the 9M119 Reflex, has a range of 3.1 miles, roughly comparable to the current Abrams, and can penetrate up to 900mm of armor, Popular Mechanics writes. Furthermore, not only will the Abrams V4 improve range and lethality of the tank's main gun, but it will also bring long-range laser detection and rear-view sensors. Also, newly configured meteorological sensors will better enable Abrams tanks to anticipate and adapt to changing weather or combat conditions more quickly, Army officials said. Meteorological sensors are being integrated into the fire control system. It provides information into fire control algorithms that help increase the accuracy and precision of your weapon system, Ashley Givens, spokeswoman for the Army's Program Executive Office Ground Combat Systems, told Scout Warrior in a written statement. The emerging M1A2 SAP V4 will also be configured with a new slip ring leading to the turret and onboard Ethernet switch to reduce the number of needed boxes by networking sensors to one another in a single vehicle. The first V3 pilot vehicle, already delivered to the Army, features technological advancements in communications, reliability, sustainment and fuel efficiency and upgraded armor, developers and Army senior leaders told Scout Warrior. This current mobility and power upgrade, among other things, adds an auxiliary power unit for fuel efficiency and onboard electrical systems, improved armor materials, upgraded engines and transmission and a 28-volt upgraded drive system. Abrams maker General Dynamics Land Systems is already on contract to build 45 of the M1A2 SEP V3 tanks for the U.S. Army. The V3 is built to lay the groundwork for subsequent V4 variants in a number of key respects. Onboard command and control, force tracking technology, power generation and sensors are, as is regularly the case with today's new acquisition strategies, incorporate a common set of standards known as open architecture. This approach is intended to engineer hardware and software in a way that enables it to quickly integrate and merge with new technologies as they emerge. Alongside those efforts, the V3 is also built with the specific protection or survivability flexibility to afford commanders an opportunity to tailor the tank's protection level to adapt to whatever threat the combat circumstance may merit. Shell explained how the modern V3 construction approach, seeking to expand upon the previously integrated Tank Urban Survival Kit, TUSK, allows for rapid switching of underbody armor protection, reactive armor tiles and other protective applications such as a commander's gun shield and loader's gun shield. Next generation combat vehicle. The Army is now seeking to finesse a careful and combat-relevant balance between upgrading the current Abrams to the maximum degree while also recognizing limitations and begin conceptual work on a new platform called Next Generation Combat Vehicle. While the Army is only now in the early stages of concept development for this technology, Bassett did tell Warrior that it may indeed evolve into a family of vehicles. Many reports and Army comments have indicated that the configuration of the new vehicles may resemble hull forms of an Abrams, Mobile Protected Firepower Vehicle, Bradley or even elements of a Stryker vehicle. However, it is without question that, whatever NGCV evolves into, it will be built to consistently accommodate the best emerging technologies available. Abrams and Robotic Wingman. While not specifically referring to the T-14's unmanned turret or Russian plans for an autonomous capability, Bassett did say it is conceivable future armored vehicles may indeed include an unmanned turret as well as various level of autonomy, tele-operation and manned-unmanned teaming. Bassett also emphasized the future vehicles will be designed to incorporate advanced digital signal processing and machine learning, such as AI technologies. Computer algorithms enabling autonomous combat functions are progressing at an alarming rate, inspiring Army and GDLS developers to explore the prospect of future manned-unmanned collaboration with tank platforms. It is certainly within the realm of the technically feasible for a future tank to simultaneously control a small fleet of unmanned robotic wingman vehicles designed to penetrate enemy lines while minimizing risk to soldiers, transport ammunition or perform long-range reconnaissance and scout missions.